digital signature and service level agreement (SLA). In this video, we are going to learn about digital signature and service level agreement (SLA). What are digital signatures? The most common misconception is that they are physical signatures applied to electronic documents. Unfortunately, a malicious person can copy the signature onto their own documents, much like a physical signature. Digital signing is a special process that is applied to an electronic document. The result of this process is a code that is specified to the document, which could only have been created by one person, so that the signature cannot be copied to other documents. What do I need for digital signing? Digital signatures requires two electronic keys called the private and public keys. You always keep your private key safe so that nobody else can use it, not even your other co-workers. You should give your public key to everyone you wish to interact with or post it on your website so everyone can find it. You will have a keychain of your private key and the public keys of everyone you interact with. How does digital signing work? Whenever you wish to sign a document, you use your private key to make a special signature of the document. The document's recipient uses your unique public key to verify that the document is exactly the same as when you sent it. How do digital signatures protect me? If someone changes the document after you sign it, the document will not validate. This prevents any data that you did not approve from being added to the document, something a physical signature never could do. If someone else signs the document pretending to be you, it will apply their signature. Since your public key is unique to your private key, the recipient won't be able to validate that the document was sent by you and is therefore invalid. Thus, Public Key Infrastructure (PKI) was the recommended standard for digital signatures in India as per the IT Act 2000. The Act also describes the institutional structures for governing the digital signature regime. Service Level Agreement. A Service Level Agreement (SLA) is a contract between a service provider and a customer that specifies, usually in measurable terms, what services the service provider will furnish. Some metrics that SLAs may specify includes: what percentage of the time services will be available, the number of users that can be served simultaneously, specific performance benchmarks to which actual performance will be periodically compared, the schedule for notification in advance of any changes that may affect users. Help desk response time for various classes of problems, usage statistics that will be provided, the SLA records a common understanding about services, priorities, responsibilities, guarantees, and warranties. Each area of service scope should have the level of service defined. The SLA may specify the levels of availability, serviceability, performance, operation, or other attributes of the service such as billing. The level of service can also be specified as target and minimum, which allows customers to be informed what to expect the minimum, while providing a measurable average target value that shows the level of organization performance. In some contracts, penalties may be agreed upon in the case of non-compliance of the SLA.